I got this handheld vacuum back Christmas time as a gift, and it comes really in handy for small everyday messes. As you can see, it has a cover here, and you can pull it off to expose the vacuum head. And this is my dog's carrier. I just vacuumed up in some dirt and debris that was in there just as a quick demo. But really, I like this for around the house. Cleaning out drawers has been super handy with this piece. And I really like having this in my car when I'm on the go in case I spill something. So hope this was helpful.